Okay, YouTube, here we are, ready to face Grimsley with our Fire Red team, of course. Okay, Trainer Jason X versus Grimsley. Grimsley has Dark type Pokemon and leads with his super incredibly... I cannot describe how annoying his Liepard is. Goes for the fuck out, too bad that Dragonite has Einer Focus and cannot be flinched. Okay, let's use Dragon Claw. Of course it uses Attract. It has Prankster ability and Priority Attract. Oh, too bad. Bye bye Liepard. I never want to see you again, but I do. Fortunately with my Diamond and my Heat Gold team. Okay, let's use Fly. Scrafty is weak to Fly. Goes for the Head Smash. I go for the Fly and Scrafty is down, I guess. Yes. Scrafty is down. What next? Next is Crocodile. Okay, Crocodile. I'll send out my Venusaur. Here we are. Just don't go for the Earthquake. Outrash. Okay, that's very good. Outrash does good damage. I go for the Giga Drain, which does good damage also and heals my life back. Another Outrash. And the next Giga Drain will take this Crocodile down. Okay. Now is Houndoom. Okay, Houndoom, I'll send out my Gyarados. Just don't go for Thunder Fang. I lower his attack and now I can take a Thunder Fang, I guess. It goes for the Fire Blast. Doesn't score critical hit, doesn't get the Burn Hacks. Goes for the Thunder Fang. I can take a Thunder Fang because of the Intimidate, and now Houndoom is down. Okay, Houndoom is down. Next is Honchkrow. Okay, Honchkrow, I'll send out my Arcanine. I will lower your attack with Intimidate. How about that? Honchkrow goes... I lower his attack. Honchkrow goes for the Aerial Ace. It doesn't do a lot. I go for Sunny Day. Set up Sunny Day. Now uses Night Slash. I can take it pretty well. I go for the Flamethrower. Boosted by Sunny Day. Oh! It survived. But so does Arcanine. Now he uses Full Restore. Okay, it survived. I didn't see that coming. Thank God he doesn't have Sucker Punch. Now another Flamethrower and Honchkrow is down. And next one is B-Sharp. Okay, B-Sharp. I'll go for the Flamethrower. You have weakness to Flamethrower. And B-Sharp is down.